How to log in and use backup codes on your Roblox account. Now, first things first is you need to enable or activate backup codes that you can use for your Roblox account so that you can log in using them. Now, log in into your Roblox at what you do usually as first. Right now, I'm currently using the web version of Roblox, so it doesn't matter actually if you're using the application on your mobile device. Actual process is still the same. Then here at the right side, you should be able to see gear icon, which will redirect you into Roblox settings. Click that and go into the settings. You'll now then be redirected into your account settings, but on the left side, go into security. Now this is where you can activate your backup codes by choosing and using your two-step verification. So in here, you could actually use backup codes by using your secure email or maybe on the Authenticator app or into the hardware security keys in Authenticator app all at once. Now, for backup codes, you could actually generate one, but this is the most convenient way of doing it. To generate a code, you can do is to click generate. Now, once the code is generated, just copy that code and that will serve as your password um, for the whole process or for the whole thing that you would like to log in into your Roblox account. Now, if you choose either of these three options right here, this is very convenient because once you logged in, just simply click on login and submit, and then say for example you use your email address to provide your backup codes. Roblox will provide you or send you verification code into the email address that is stating here, and you should be able to log in on time. And that is how you log in and use backup codes in your Roblox account.